Unfortunately, you cannot hide Snapchat score from your friends and unknown people. However, if you remove the person as a friend or block them on Snapchat, they can no longer see your Snapchat score. If you don't know how to do that, then don't worry. We are here to tell you the exact step to block or remove someone on Snapchat. First step, open Snapchat app on your mobile. Then tap on the profile icon. It's in the top left corner. Scroll down and click on My Friend. Long press on the friend you want to hide score from. Next, tap on the More option. Click More. Then select Block or Remove Friend to hide your score. If you still want to continue receiving snap from them, you need to allow people to send your snap even when they are not added as a friends to your profile.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.